You won't believe this. Texas police solved the whole case because of a single creepy doorbell video captured at 2:47 a.m. In 2023, a woman in San Antonio vanished while walking home. For days, police had nothing until a neighbor checked his doorbell camera. The footage showed a man following her, then stopping at the exact spot she disappeared. Police zoomed in, enhanced the audio, and picked up one detail: the sound of a truck starting. That sound led detectives to a local mechanic whose truck had the same unique engine noise. When they searched his home, they found her backpack hidden in his garage. He confessed on the spot, all because of one doorbell camera. Follow for more true crime stories.